Hello and welcome to another episode of Crypto Minder. Today we're going to see what happened the last week on the Bitcoin price, and then I will mark out some levels which will help us to identify better positions inside the week. So without further ado, let's see firstly that we have a very big range that has been going on here from June 22 until today. So we are ranging inside this big range. We have the highs here and the lows right here. This is the middle point, so over this point prices are considered a premium, which down here is considered a discount. Now the next thing that we see is that since the new year has started, we have seen what we call the quarterly shift. So every 3 or 4 months we see a shift in the market dynamic, and as you see here, we have been dropping the whole year. The whole past year we have been seeing lower prices, and right now we are currently trading about 50% from the bottom. So let's see what we have else around these levels and identify some better and high probability levels that will help us take better positions. So generally, whenever we see a big and a clean high taken, we will see then the market kind of pull back inside the previous range that we were in. So right now, for bulls to continue this uptrend and maybe target the highs of last August, so it would be around $25,000. For them to continue this uptrend, they will need to kind of hold this level so we don't break the structure and maybe head lower. So this is a very critical point. I will be watching the charts to see if we have a kind of bearish market structure, so this would validate some shorts for me. Until then, I think that since we are pushing higher, we might be seeing this high also taken. We will not trade this with hope. We will just identify what will happen inside the week. So in the daily time frame, you will see also an imbalanced level here. So all this would be our imbalance, and we might see the markets trading back inside this. If we see maybe on Monday and Tuesday, we might see the market going inside this area, dropping into a relative discounted zone from the past week's performance, drop into this and head higher. The other scenario that I'm watching is that maybe we will keep pushing and then we will drop and make the pullback that everyone is expecting right now. So market will usually not do what everyone is expecting, but it will do otherwise, and the majority of the participants will leave the market in great damage. So these are the most obvious levels. You have to always be working with what you have easy on your eye and something that will be easy for you to manage as a trader and as an analyst. So thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing and hitting that like button because it helps this channel grow. See you on the next one.